Welcome to the course Unconventional Machining Process. In this session, we will discuss on comparison of non-traditional manufacturing processes. A comparative analysis of the various unconventional manufacturing processes should be made so that a guideline may be drawn to find the suitability of application of different processes. A particular manufacturing process found suitable under the given conditions may not be equally efficient under other conditions. Therefore, a careful selection of the process for a given manufacturing problem is essential. Aspects to be considered for the selection of suitable UCM process: physical parameters involved in the process, capability of machining different shapes of work material, applicability of different processes to various types of material, example metals, alloys and non-metals, machining characteristics and economics involved in the various processes. First one, physical parameters involved in the process. From this table 1.2, we will compare the performance of physical parameters of the process according to the potential, current, power, cap and medium. When comparing this, it may be noticed that both EDM and USM requires approximately same power, whereas ECM consumes 40 times more power than EDM. From a comparative study of the effect of material removal rate on the power consumed by various non-conventional machining processes shown in figure 1.2, it is found that some of the processes, example EBM and ECM, above the mean power consumption line consume a greater amount of power than the processes like EDM, PAM and ECG below the mean power consumption line. Thus, the capital cost involved in the processes EBM, ECM, etc. lying above the mean line is high, whereas for the processes below that line is comparatively low. Second factors, capability to save. From this table 1.3, the capability of different processes can be analyzed on the basis of various machining operation point of view, such as micro drilling, cavity sinking, pocketing, shallow and deep, contouring a surface, through cutting, shallow and deep, etc. EDM and ECM processes have good capability to make pocketing operation. For micro drilling operation, the only process which has good capability to micro drill is laser beam machining, while for drilling shapes having slenderness ratio, that is L by D less than 20, the process USM, ECM and EDM will be most suitable. For surface contouring operation, ECM process is most suitable, but other processes except EDM have no application for contouring operations. Third aspect, applicability of materials. According to the table 1.4, the material applications of the various machining methods are summarized. For the machining of electrically non-conducting materials, both ECM and EDM are unsuitable, whereas the mechanical methods can achieve the desired result. From the table 1.5, USM is suitable for machining of refractory type of material, while AJM are for super alloys and refractory materials. Coming to the fourth factor, machining characteristics of different non-conventional processes can be analyzed with respect to material removal rate, tolerance maintained, surface finish uptime, depth of surface damage and power required for machining. From the table 1.6, it can be noted that the material removal rates by ECM and PAM are respectively one-fourth and 1.25 times that of conventional, whereas others are only a small fractions of it. Power requirement of ECM and PAM is also very high when compared with other non-conventional machining processes. This involves higher capital cost for those processes. ECM has very low tool wear rate, but it has certain fairly serious problems regarding the contamination of the electrolyte used and the corrosion of machine parts. The surface finish and tolerance obtained by various machining processes except PAM is satisfactory. Coming to the economics of the processes, the economics of the process are analyzed on the basis of following factors and summarized in the table 1.7: capital cost, tooling cost, consumed power cost, material removal rate, efficiency, and tool wear. From this table 1.7, it can be inferring that the capital cost of ECM is very high when compared with traditional mechanical contour grinding and other non-conventional machining processes, whereas capital cost for AJM and PAM are comparatively low. EDM has got higher tooling cost than other machining processes. Power consumption is very low for PAM and LBM processes, whereas it is greater in case of ECM process. The material removal efficiency is very high for EBM and LBM than for other processes. Thanks for watching this video. Active online learning and happy machining. Thank you.